we got off the ship there, we'll call it the Carnival Miracle, and now we're boarding a bus to go ziplining. Canopy tour. You first. But we're not riding the fun bus. We're riding the tour bus. Just like that. They give you these maps when you get off. It tells you where all the things they want you to see are. Because as you know, the shopping on from the ship, recommended shopping is kind of a kickback deal. Here is Mazatlan. The ship is right behind me. This is probably not the best neighborhood. The bus is taking us along the seashore.
Also, we brought some mints for the girls.
I guess it's a scenic route. Still driving down the main road in Mazatlan. The ocean is behind me. As you can see. So we left the town of Mazatlan and we're in this kind of area now. So now we're in a tequila farm, I guess you call it. That's the agave that they turn into tequila. We're going to go do some tasting. So this is Janet being fit for her harness. So then you have to ascend the 107 steep steps.
This kind you need it far away. Keep your feet up. I'm not going anywhere yet. Oh, very. Just keep that position. You know?
Okay. Yep. So here you can see the cable we just came in on, and the cable we're about to go on, which is 1,000 feet. Can't see the end, it's down there someplace though. Should be fun. So here comes somebody. No, he's not going to make it. Oh, maybe he is. Not in front of us.
Oh God! What did I not do?
No problem. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Are you okay?
1, 2, 3. Let's go. Okay, sir. Which one is your strong hand?
Well, I'm using this one because it's got a good glove. This glove is pieces.
Ready. Sit down slowly. Stop. Wait a minute. Two and three, let's go. Okay, so on the block, please be careful. Okay.
So this is the 5th one. Yep.
Let's go.
Five down, 4 to go. This is number 6.
Sit down slowly, harness. Sit up. Ready? Let's go. Okay, so listen, over here on the block. And 1, 2.
So after number 6, we walk on this weird bridge, which is half suspension and half not. I don't know what the deal is, but it is hanging by cables down there, you can see, right? And it does bounce, not quite like on Tom Sawyer's Island, but similar. And we go down this trail. Looks like another station right here. This would be 7 then.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm going to videotape all of you.
Okay.
Go. When you see the scenic, try to do it, okay?
Oh,
Good. Here we go.
is this 8 or 9? 8?
Sorry?
8 or 9?
You never count. 9
This is the last. This is the last one.
I don't know what is that. What is this one?
Last one.
Not really.
Fini.
Not really.
Okay.
Ready? Yeah. You need to go both hands here. Yeah, turn a little bit. You don't have to help you. Maybe stuck in the middle. Finally, you give me the hand.
Now she's got to twist back the other way, right? Yeah.
Ready? No?
Get up there, hon.
Llegó, pero como nunca había visto que llegara nadie gordo. Sí, insignia. A mí una silla de rojo, güey, me clavó la rodilla girada. Me está oliendo, güey, todavía. Si no la paraba, se iba a golpear. Sit down, sir. Ready? Yep. Stand up the other side.
Stand up the other side.
Yeah.
You see the structure they're using here is like a metal pole, I guess sunk down in the ground, with cables they can adjust the tension on. I think this is the only platform that was green plastic like this, but I don't know. And then it looks like the end where you rappel down. Oh, they're up in a tree.
Yeah.
Here comes this guy from this way. Notice we're in an agave field. Ready when you are. Yay!
You're ready.
Hey! Yeah. Remember,
Ay, ay, ay. Both hands the yellow lanyards. Sit down gentle. Spread your leg. Don't touch the black rod. In. Okay, so.
yay!
Sit down gentle. Right now. Spread your legs.
Oh,
In. Okay, man.
all done! Yay! You finished in one piece.
We have water back there.
All right. Everybody have fun?
Heck yeah.
Yeah. How about you?
I did.
There's a bug trying to fly in your mouth. Good job. Here's what it looks like. It's an agave field. It's a platform up there. A guy zip lines down into the top of this tree. Here he comes. And you got to brake a little with your hand, and there you're there. And then you come around on this side. Now that's a mighty big tree, mind you. And so he's hooking her up. She's going to come down suddenly. She doesn't know what to do. She doesn't know what's coming. Get ready. This should be good.
On.
Incoming! Woo! God almighty!
And an audience. The bus let us off right here at this little shopping center area. The cruise ship is somewhere on the other side of that wall where we have to go. Anyway, so we're gonna run the gauntlet through the shopping center and then get on some sort of little shuttle car, and they're the ones that are gonna take us in. It's very festive out here. Hey, it's the same tequila. The last shopping opportunity before we get on the ship. And it reminds me a lot of the shopping opportunity in Ensenada. Interesting. Bigger though. More places to buy stuff here. More tourists posing with Senor Frog. You can buy a volunteer fire department shirt from Mazatlan. Hey, support the department. So we walked right by the gate to the ship. But here it is. And there's a shuttle bus that we will now board to get back on the ship, which is right there. We're saying adios to Mazatlan.
I'm not gonna let you drown.
Of course, this is a regular, you know, shipping port. It just happens to have cruise ships stopping it every so often, I guess. Still a miracle. That says crew only. Did we go the wrong way? Should we have gone that way? When I said I thought we were going the wrong way, we were right. I mean, I was right. That's for the crew. We need to go up in there. Decade forward, not aft. Goodbye, Mazatlan.